We're going to do a gentle nervous system reset. This is going to help you feel calmer, more centered, more like yourself, and less anxious. Let's get started. Take a deep breath in and out. We're going to do a tapping session where we're tapping on points of the body that will help release some energy and emotion that is trapped in the body. So this is going to make you feel lighter, calmer, and hopefully a lot better. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. The exhale should be longer than the inhale. Good. So this point right here we're tapping is helping to release grief and heartbreak and disappointment. Good. Go to the top of the head. This is going to be helping us release anxiety, worry, overthinking, looping thoughts. Who doesn't have that? Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. I just felt the energy going down my spine. You might feel that as well. My tailbone is untucking, which means that I'm getting into the parasympathetic nervous system, which is where we rest, digest, and heal. It's the ideal state to be in so that we can get stronger, healthier, and have a better mindset. Good. Right now we're releasing frustration and anger. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Feeling my jaw relax, the back of my neck and head. Good. We'll go right to the outside of the eye. So it's right next to the eye. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This is releasing frustration and anger as well. Good. So anywhere where we might have some frustration and anger, it's going to be released. If it's at the surface. Good. The more we tap, the deeper the release is. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So many people have been feeling so good with this. They ask, how often can I do this, Amy? You can do this as often as you want. You could do this in the morning to set your day up right and be in the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps us to see all available options, be able to organize our day better. So it's a great way to start the day. You're more focused and centered. And then as a way to unwind at the end of the night. So it helps to release some stuck energy and emotion to help calm us down for sleep. Good. So this point right here under the eye is helping to release control. So when we're seeking control in life, we can often find that we aren't able to control things, and that causes us to have anxiety. Good. Let's take a deep breath in and out. We can control our response to things if we've done our healing work. So oftentimes we react to things versus respond. When we are in the parasympathetic nervous system, we're able to respond. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. We can tell what is most important when we're in this state. Good. Feeling more relaxing of the jaw and the head and the shoulders. Good. Feeling the chest opening up and relaxing. A yawn's coming on. You might be feeling some tears rolling down your face or more yawning, maybe tingling in your feet, down the backs of your legs. These are all signs that you're getting into the parasympathetic nervous system, which is where we rest, digest, and heal. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This point up here is one of my favorites, which is a point where we connect the mind and the body. So when we experience overwhelm, we check out of our body, and this helps us to get back into the body. Good. Let's go underneath the lip. So this point right here helps us to release any energy and information around not speaking our truth, either to ourselves or to others. So we aren't setting boundaries. Maybe we said yes when we wanted to say no. Maybe it's how we talk to ourselves. Maybe we aren't in alignment with what we're saying. So this helps to release some of that tension that can get caught up in the jaw and even in the teeth. They can hurt and the throat. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. go here. So we're going to tap on these 2 points, which are here and here underneath the collarbone. This is going to help release fear. In traditional tapping, we would say a statement. So traditional tapping is EFT, which stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. But right now, we're just doing a gentle nervous system reset. So we're not doing any of the fancy talking and tapping. What we're doing is just tapping on the body, reprogramming the brain and the body to be in a more calm state. But if you wanted to go deeper with tapping, you can tap and talk about your feelings. So you can say, even though I have this fear, I deeply love and accept myself. And that would be helping you to release the fear, because fear is right here. Good. Let's go to the center of the chest. This is not a traditional tapping, but I always include it because it is so wonderful, feels so good, helps to tap on the thymus, which is where we are pumping the lymph throughout the body. So each point that we're tapping on is helping to move lymph as well. And so this one emotionally makes us feel good because it feels like more love and compassion and forgiveness can come in to the body. It brings us back home to who we really are and offers us some kindness that we don't always have for ourselves. Good. So we're going to go to right underneath the armpits, so a hands width down, and we're going to tap on the left and the right. And on the right, we're releasing anger, and on the left, we are releasing worry. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Feeling the energy traveling down my back. My feet are tingling. These are all signs, again, that you're getting into the parasympathetic nervous system. Take a deep breath in and out. Right here. So that is one round of tapping. You can tap for 10 minutes. You can tap for an hour. It just depends on how much time you have and how deep you want your transformation. This technique is great for people who are in the middle of a panic attack or just having anxiety. There's lots of research behind EFT. So if you're interested, you can go to EFTuniverse.com, or you can check out my book, which is called Bridging the Divide. And I have over 200 studies in there about the mind, body, and spirit and how we can heal ourselves. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. I teach about the nervous system, about what is trauma, how to heal it, what is EFT, and lots more. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Underneath the nose. Good. Feeling even more relaxing in the jaw and the neck. Good. Energy traveling down the back of the spine. Good. Let's go underneath the lip. More tension coming from the back down. Good. And even a yawn. Good. Let's go here. Great. I hope you're feeling a lot more relaxed. Good. Take another deep breath in and out. Great. And that is 2 rounds of tapping. If you'd like, take your hands, place it over your chest on your heart, and hold it there for 20 seconds. This helps to release oxytocin, which helps you feel a lot better. It's the healing hormone, and it's also called the bonding hormone. So it helps us feel more bonded to others and ourselves. We're a lot kinder, loving, and gentler when we have this flowing through our body. Take another last deep breath in and out for this episode. Take a deep breath in and out.